Abidur Chaudhary, designer of Apple's thinnest iPhone, has left the company for an AI startup, joining a wave of departures from Apple's design division. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call to shed a slave mentality, urging India to be restless for progress in his recent address. Supreme Court hearing delayed as counsels take many adjournments on charge, inordinately protracting proceedings due to accuseds' inaction. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar delivered a firm message on terrorism at the SCO summit, stressing zero tolerance and India's right to defend against it. S.S. Rajamouli's comment about Lord Hanuman at Globetrotter event sparks outrage, leading to an FIR being filed against him. Former India off-spinner Harbhajan Singh criticizes the pitch curator, expressing concerns over Test cricket's direction in the country after India's 30-run defeat in the first Test. National Investigation Agency, NIA, gets 10-day custody of Jasir Wani, a Jammu and Kashmir expert, in connection with the Delhi Red Fort blast case now. The agency claims suspects were planning drone attacks. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal says a trade pact with the US is nearing completion, focusing on farmers, fishermen and small industries. Maoist sympathizers hiding in Andhra Pradesh as authorities pick up migrants from the region. They're suspected to belong to South Buster battalions fleeing Chhattisgarh pressure. India's External Affairs Minister, S. Jaishankar, emphasized the need for collective action against terrorism, urging SCO leaders to prioritize combating it without tolerance. India's retail inflation dropped to 0.25% in October 2025 due to lower food prices and GST adjustments, potentially paving the way for a Reserve Bank of India interest rate cut. Before GST 2.0, just 3 Indian states accounted for 30% of all auto sales. With a strong demand trend in these regions, Cognizant begins monitoring employee laptop and web activity on select projects using a workforce management tool that analyzes mouse and keyboard activity to determine engagement levels. Now, the newly launched Sentinel-6B satellite has 6 onboard instruments to monitor rising sea levels and their effects on the planet. Experts say Chandrayaan-3's flyby details will aid lunar space mission by providing insights into propulsion module orbit around Moon's gravity. Microsoft introduces experimental agentic features in Windows 11, enabling AI agents with a toggleable setting, potentially changing the way users interact with their computers. Actress Girija Oak, a 20-year industry veteran, became national crush after interview clips went viral and people recognized her. Ravi Teja's Maas Jatara, an action comedy film starring Srileela, faces issues on OTT platforms due to criticism over lack of substance and poor narration. Shiv Thakare suffers major mishap as Bigg Boss 16 house catches fire, but details on cause and impact remain unknown. Ajay Devgan's romantic comedy is performing well, recovering 122 crores from pre-sales and considered financially safe for the makers. Netizens react positively to Ranveer Singh's spy thriller Dhurandhar, praising its power-packed action and fiery visuals alongside R. Madhavan, Akshay Khanna, and Sanjay Dutt. Priyanka Chopra expresses her gratitude for collaborating with Mahesh Babu and Prithviraj Sukumaran on S.S. Rajamouli's Varanasi, calling it a privilege. A Delhi court has raised concerns about bias in Aryan Khan's directorial series, The ****DS of Bollywood, which Sameer Wankhede accuses of targeting him due to character resemblance. Bigg Boss 19's emotional week sees family members meet contestants inside the house, bringing heartfelt and tense moments. The US is set to gift F-35 jets to Saudi Arabia. challenging Israel's aerial supremacy in the Middle East. A California housing dispute saw AI-generated evidence presented in court, raising concerns among judges about its authenticity. H-1B visa petitions from Indian companies decreased by 37% in FY 2025, citing increased US worker hiring in recent US government data. Gulala, 21-year-old TikTok star, was fatally shot in Lauderdale Lakes, Florida on November 14, 2025. Her boyfriend Shanoid White Jr., 25, has been arrested and charged with first-degree murder. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's family is facing turmoil as the World Health Organization (WHO) probes her daughter Saima, amid concerns about their whereabouts. UPSC to release EPFO exam admit card at UPSC in November 2025. Candidates can download it from official website. Australia's all-rounder Cameron Green holds key to team balance, with his performance expected to play a crucial role in the Ashes series. The Guwahati track at Basapara Stadium is expected to provide turn and bounce during India's test match against South Africa, with Indian team management seeking spin-friendly conditions. Bangladesh Women's Cricket Tour of India has been postponed due to scheduling issues, with the white ball series rescheduled for a later date. India's batting lineup has undergone changes ahead of the Guwahati test, with Washington Sundar and Akshar Patel taking spots previously held by Sai Sudarshan. Bangladesh cricketer Mushfiq Rahim becomes his country's first player to reach 100 tests, a testament to his determination and dedication to the